because of the fact that a lot of people have been anticipating this pause to be lifted, I'm sure a lot of people are going to be like looking out for dates. Hi guys, it's Anita here again, and I know you guys might have been wondering, like, this babe has been missing in action for the past few weeks, or will I even say it's been going to like 2 months. I had my PhD qualifiers exam. I had to focus solely on my primary assignment, which is my PhD. I know you guys must have heard about the pause on visa interview application for the past few days, moving into weeks, and I am bearing good news. As at June 18th, there was a press release, and you're not going to take my word for it, so I'm just going to read off from the press release. Announcement of expanded screening and vetting for visa applicants. The State Department is committed to protecting our nation and citizens by upholding the highest standard of national security and public safety through our visa process. A U.S. visa is a privilege and not a right. So we use all available information in our visa screening and vetting to identify visa applicants who are inadmissible to the United States, including those who pose a threat to the U.S. national security. Under new guidance, we will conduct a comprehensive and thorough vetting, including online presence of all students and exchange visitor applicants in the F, M, and J non-immigrant classification. To facilitate this vetting, all applicants of F, J, and M non-immigrant visa will be instructed to adjust the privacy setting on all their social media profiles to public. Our overseas post will resume scheduling F, M, and J non-immigrant visa applications soon. Applicants should check the relevant embassy or consulate website for appointment availability. Every visa adjudication is a national security decision. The United States must be vigilant during the visa issuance process to ensure that those applying for admission in the United States do not intend to harm Americans and our national interests, and that all applicants credibly establish their eligibility for the visa sought, including that they intend to engage in activities consistent with the terms for their application. As a result of this, if you're an F1 student that maybe you were applying for visa before the pause happened, this is good news for you, because I mean you can proceed with your application process. To the best of my knowledge, I know that the appointments are not opened up now, but I'm very certain as a result of this press release, in the coming days, you're going to have like available dates to pick for your visa interview. And just like the statement says, if you're an F1 or a J or an M visa applicant, you need to turn the visibility on all your social media to public. They need to carry out a thorough vetting process on your social media to ensure that you qualify to have the visa. Because you know the normal protocol before, after your interview, you will be told like instantly if you qualify for the visa or if the visa is going to be denied. Although there's always been the administrative processing, but it has not been common before. Administrative processing is only like put into consideration then if maybe your visa application is kind of, they're not really certain about certain things or documents you've provided and they need to verify. But as a result of this, it's obvious that that administrative process will come into play, like it will become a norm now, because after your visa process, they will need to vet your social media presence. So this would mean that if you are applying to any school, you need to apply for your visa like months ahead, because it's not been stated the time span for this administrative screening of your social media. You don't know how long it's going to last. And I'm also thinking that the other processes, like the documents we need, will proceed as normal. You know, the documents needed, like your DS-160 confirmation page, your passport photograph, your admission letter, your offer letter, or your bank statement, all of those documents. I believe those are still going to be the documents required of you, and every other thing will proceed normal except for the extra processing time that will be required to vet your social media. But do not take my word for it. My advice to all F1 visa applicants is that stay abreast on every information like that is being posted on verified websites such as the US Department of State and Travel website and all of that. Stay abreast on all of this information. Frequent the scheduling portal. For Nigerians, I know it's the AVIX platform. Frequent the scheduling portal and like keep reloading, especially if you need to get a date like pretty soon. Because of this release, I'm sure dates are going to be opened up pretty soon. And because of the fact that a lot of people have been anticipating this pause to be lifted, I'm sure a lot of people are going to be like looking out for dates. So if you really want to get your visa interview date like scheduled, you need to be on your scheduling portal really frequently so that once the date is released, you can grab a date and prepare for your interview. Remember, make your account public, stay abreast on all information that is put out there on verified platforms. Prepare months ahead for your interview. Prepare very well also for your interview. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. If this video has been helpful to you, please do also like this video, share this video with friends and families that you know it's going to be beneficial to, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.